There's Poppy in her bed. And just outside is Jackdaw. Just come back for his food. There he is. He wants some food. And the cat's in her bed, looking at him. There she is. Poppy. And Jackdaw. Let's go out and feed him. If you need some feeding. It's cold winter day. I'm going to go out and brave the weather. There we go. Oh, yeah. Here he comes. There's a cat there, look. Cat's in there. You're on there, that's it. Anyway, you're nowhere near him. It is cold today. We'll go and get your food, shall we? Hey? You want your food? There you go. Come on. You want your food? Let's open the greenhouse. Get your food. Get your food. There we go. Going in the greenhouse in the warm now. Well, I say warm. On there, go on there. No? Let's switch off.